Where's Gabrielle? Gabrielle. Gabrielle. Hey. I'm bored. Do you want to play Truth or Dare? Sure, but we need more people. Here, right there. Where are you going? Hey, Arden. Hey. What you doing? Nothing? Wanna play Truth or Dare? Sure. But we need more people. Would I play? Sure, but you're fan. Who else? I could play. Cool. And you're playing too. Okay. Big Yoshi fan. Yeah? Truth or Dare? Dare. I dare you to jump off that cliff. You're on. Wow. Oh. You did. I guess I'm out. Okay. I done. Yes. Truth or Dare? Truth. Okay. Actually, no, dare. Okay. I dare you to... Are you serious? Yep. Hey. What? No glue. Thanks. Bye. Did it? Nuts? Lolly, yeah? Truth or Dare? Truth. Okay. Do you like a guy? Yes. Okay. Aiden, yeah? Truth or Dare? Dare. Dare you to quit the game. Can you do that? I have no idea. Yes, quit the game.
You like it,
Okay.
Did you think it was good?
The two winners, Big Yoshi fan and Lolly